It's bitter when it is fresh, but it changes tone, color, texture, and taste
वाइट
when
वाइट
it
हो गया.
matures. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to this healthy recipes channel. If you are here for easy Nimbu Chutney recipe, then this is it.
ये चटनी बनेगी खट्टा कोड़ा.
Made by mom, the lemon chutney with jaggery is more like lemon jam that even kids can indulge in. But before starting with the super healthy, delicious, and easy lemon peel chutney, I request you to support the channel by subscribing to it and do not forget to hit the like and share button too. It motivates me to keep coming up with innovative recipes. But this one is not my innovation, it's my mom's recipe of lemon and raisin chutney. No, this is not spicy. We have used homegrown lemon for this chutney recipe. Wash and pat dry on a kitchen towel. Next, let's start chopping each lemon into 4 pieces. Dad is doing the chopping work here. Make sure you remove the seeds too, else the Indian lemon chutney will be overly bitter. Now let's grind it to paste. Mom takes care of the grinding part. Paro does a taste test of the ground lemons and OMG. Make sure you take a heavy bottomed and deep vessel as the chutney will boil and we don't want it to overflow. Cook on high until it starts bubbling. Let's roast a few spices. 1 tablespoon of fennel or saunf and 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin. That's it. Coarsely grind it to powder. I have done that in a mortar and pestle. Mix with the bubbling lemon peels. Cook on low now. It's time to sweeten the sauce with jaggery. The jaggery proportion to lemon will be 2.5 times. It means if one part is lemon, then you need at least 2.5 parts of jaggery. And if you are making it for kids, add more jaggery. Up to 3.5 cups will make it a delicious lemon jam that will turn this chutney into a lemon marmalade with jaggery that kids can indulge in. Let's add black salt and black pepper too. We just need a hint of the salt and pepper. Mix and continue to cook on a low flame until the jaggery is dissolved and the chutney changes color and turns slightly thicker. Lemon peel is a natural source of vitamin C and antioxidants. In fact, lemon peel or zest has more vitamin C than lemon itself. So, do try to include lemon peel in your daily diet, especially if your source of lemons is organic or if you're using homemade lemons. Before turning off the flame, stir in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. By the way, I make apple cider vinegar at home and I have shared the entire process on the channel. Don't forget to check the recipe. It's quite easy and uses only apples, jaggery, and water. Turn off the flame and stir in raisins. You may even add toasted melon seeds too. Pour into sterilized glass jars when it is still warm. Cover each jar with cloth and secure it with a band. The lemon chunda needs sunlight for at least 7 to 10 days so that it gets ready soon. If you don't get sunlight, the chutney will take time to be ready. It may take up to a month for this vitamin C deliciousness to be mature enough to make a perfect accompaniment with your meals and even breads. So, what are you waiting for? I have packed mine and brought home too. You too should try out this easy Nimbu ki chutney and preserve lemon for days when the prices soar high. I love to grow my own lemon too. I hope you enjoy making the lemon chunda as much as we did. It was a family project. Take care until we meet next with yet another healthy recipe. God bless. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe.